It was only a rock. A big lump of sandstone. You might pass right by it. But to us, it was a symbol of our freedom, of our independence. We all knew about it, of course. We learned as children how it was the Scottish Stone of Kings. But they took it from us. And as a nation, I suppose we'd forgotten about it.
1950년대 스코틀랜드의 글래스고 대학교.
Support Home Rule. Justice for Scotland. Come to the meeting. Support Home Rule.
잉글랜드에 흡수되어 나라의 이름은 사라졌지만 그로부터 250년이 지난 지금도 스코틀랜드인들의 가슴 속엔 여전히 정체성의 불씨가 남아 있었죠.
Scotland. Sign the petition. Come to the meeting.
Put your names upon this covenant as absolute proof of our resolve. We will plunge this message into the very heart of Westminster.
스코틀랜드 민족주의 운동의 중심 인물 존 맥코믹의 연설에 이언은 점차 빠져들고
We pledge ourselves in all loyalty to the Crown to do everything in our power to secure for Scotland a parliament.
이언은 스코틀랜드가 마땅히 자치권을 가져야 한다고 생각하고 있었는데요.
They've had centuries. How many promises have they broken in 1707? That's Scottish history. That's our history.
The oldest nation in Europe?
Here we are, the oldest bloody nation in Europe.
You actually think Scotland can look after their own affairs?
Well, certainly not if you have the vote.
There's a long way to go, mate. All I'm saying is give London a chance.
Here's the trap.
같은 스코틀랜드인들 사이에서도 의견은 제각각이었죠.
Scotland's ever going to be a nation again. So, been to church recently?
이언의 아버지는 학업보다 다른 생각에 마음이 가 있는 듯한 아들이 그저 걱정스럽기만 한데
You're throwing your life away with all that nationalist rubbish.
Nothing wrong with having pride in your
That's
country.
not the point. Nobody could be prouder of Scotland than I am, and you know it. This is a world for doers, not for dreamers. Try and make something of your life, son.
하지만 스코틀랜드의 목소리는 중앙정부에 의해 또다시 묵살당하고
People are outraged.
No, they're not.
Well, how can you say that?
Because it's bullshit, Bill. How can people not care about their own country? People
사람들의
care.
마음을 깨울 강력한 상징이 필요하다고 느낀 그 순간 오래된 기사 하나가 눈에 들어오죠.
You're out of your mind. It's in Westminster Abbey.
스코틀랜드 왕권의 상징인 운명의 돌을 영국으로부터 되찾아와야 한다고 주장하는 이언. 운명의 돌은 1296년 잉글랜드의 왕 에드워드 1세가 스코틀랜드를 침공하며 런던으로 가져간 전리품이었습니다. 이어 에드워드 1세는 스코틀랜드인들의 길을 꺾기 위해 대관식 의자 밑에 운명의 돌을 깔아놓았고 이는 스코틀랜드인들에게 수백 년 동안 이어진 치욕과도 같았죠.
What are you going to do with it then?
No, I've not thought about that. Well, no, but that's up to the people of Scotland. But I tell you this, if it doesn't raise them to their feet to fight and cheer for this country, then Scotland really is dead, but at least we'll know.
It weighs a ton. You'll never even lift it.
I'm not by myself.
Oh, you evil man. I'm 6 months from my degree.
I know.
Lovely position waiting. And here you come with your crazy schemes, offering me what? Complete destruction of everything I've ever worked
Well,
for.
all great schemes are crazy. That's what makes them great.
We'll ruin our lives.
Probably, aye.
Prison, Ian.
Aye, maybe. But it's for Scotland.
빌은 잠시 고민하지만 결국 친구의 계획에 함께하기로 하죠. 그렇게 두 사람은 운명의 돌을 가져올 준비에 나서는데
Give us that Westminster Abbey one, will you? Islip Chapel.
Under renovation.
That's right. Edward I, Henry III, Edward the Confessor.
Coronation chair.
Yes.
이언은 철저한 사전 답사를 위해 런던으로 향합니다. 관광객 인척 접근에 내부 보안 상황을 슬쩍 확인하는 이언.
It's very nice. Sorry? The Abbey is so clean. Must be a whole army of cleaners. in every night, just cleaning.
Just once a week.
Oh, that's surprising. I suppose the night watchman could always pick up a wee bit of rubbish. Or men, depending on how many you have.
그 모습이 누가 봐도 수상해 보이기만 하죠. 그리고 드디어 마주한 운명의 돌.
The coronation chair and stone, made in the reign of Edward I to house the coronation stone of the Scots, which he brought here in 1296. Note how the stone is incorporated into the shelf beneath the seat. That's so when a king of England sits to be crowned, he sits over the stone of destiny, which makes him, by Scotland's own traditions, king of Scotland as well. All without ever having to get his royal trousers dirty.
밤늦도록 이연의 탐색은 계속되는데
Writing a book?
No, I'm just doing a wee sketch.
Why? Don't they have any churches in Glasgow? Move on.
얼마 후 이연은 앞서 연설을 했던 존 맥코믹을 찾아가죠.
You're the young lad who wanted to see me. Mr. Hamilton. Have a seat. Some tea?
Please, thank you.
Thank you, Mrs. McCoy. She's a wonderful woman. Been with the family since I was a boy. Still treats me like one.
이연이 존을 찾은 이유는 계획에 필요한 자금을 마련하기 위해서였는데요.
Because what I'm about to tell you is of the utmost secrecy.
Well, I'm on the edge of my seat.
I'm going to Westminster Abbey, and I'm going to bring back the Stone of Destiny.
존 역시 젊은 날 비슷한 꿈을 품어본 적이 있었기에 이연의 이야기에 진지하게 귀를 기울이죠.
Finances.
How much?
50.
50. That's a fair amount. Still, nothing's impossible, I suppose. I can make arrangements. You have a financial plan, a budget?
Well, not really, but
I'll need something.
well, we need to hire a car,
Right.
petrol, obviously, and then meals, fish and chips, and so on.
£50,000 for fish and chips.
No, 50.
50? You came to me for £50?
Hey, well, we're students. We're broke.
터무니없는 장난이라 생각한 존은 이연을 내쫓는데
Would you like me to see things up?
No, I mean yes. Sorry, Mrs. McCoy.
That's all right. Nothing wrong with a man changing his mind now and then.
맥커리 부인의 한마디에 존은 결국 마음을 돌리죠.
Mr. Hamilton! We never met.
자금 문제까지 해결되자 두 사람의 계획은 급물살을 타기 시작합니다.
Now at 6:30 the Abbey closes, at which point I come out and I hide here, which is under renovation, tarps, ladders, it's perfect. I could be there all night if I needed to. Now, the night watchman finishes around midnight, 1 o'clock, at which point I come out, screw the lock off the door and let you in. Here's the brilliant part. I say we do it at Christmas. The whole of London will be in the pubs, the parties.
그런데
I plan to go home for Christmas.
So cancel it.
I've got a committee meeting on the 23rd.
Miss it?
사실 빌의 마음 한구석엔 이 계획이 지나치게 무모하다는 불안감이 자리하고
Why?
있었죠.
What's the matter with you?
Like, I've been thinking, Ian. I'm so close to my degree. I've got such a great position waiting.
Are you backing out?
We're getting married, Ian, Jen and me, next spring. I mean, this is my life we're talking about here. I can't risk it. I'm sorry, Ian. I really am.
진심 어린 사과와 함께 빌은 돌아서 버립니다. 이연은 한 사교 모임에서 존과 재회하게 되는데
Excuse me a sec. Mr. Hamilton, is it?
Yes, sir.
How's things?
Moving on.
이연의 자신 없는 눈빛에 존은 상황이 녹록지 않음을 눈치채죠.
Good. One moment. Jamie! I hear you're very interested in joining the community. What would you like me to do?
자연스레 K와의 만남을 주선하며 자리를 떠나는 존.
Excuse me, it's Kay, isn't it?
It might be.
Ian Hamilton.
I know.
Nice to meet you. You dancing?
You asking?
Yeah, it might be.
I like the idea of teaching. Working with children and helping them find their way in the world.
You must be the Highlander and only happy when you're tending the helpless or battling the English.
이연 못지않게 그녀 역시 스코틀랜드인으로서의 투쟁심을 품고 있었는데요.
I'm going to London to bring back the Stone of Destiny.
Every national's worth of salt has talked about it, but that's just talk.
I know.
Well, has it occurred to you there's a reason why it's never been done?
Look, I've been to London. I know I can do it. Would you come with me?
No.
하지만 어느새 그녀는 이연의 계획에 합류하고 앞장서 뜻을 함께 할 동료를 찾아 나서죠.
Come on, we need a bit of muscle, don't we?
I didn't really know Gavin, but I'd seen him. He was an engineering student better known for his drinking than for his studies. But Kay said if he got past that, he had a heart as big as Scotland.
To the Stone of Destiny.
As usual, she was right.
Let's do it.
On top of that, he was bloody strong. Okay.
그렇게 결의를 다진 세 사람은 스코틀랜드의 잃어버린 자존심을 되찾을 대담한 작전에 돌입합니다.
So, tomorrow then.
Aye, first light.
Cigarette. Ring me if you need help.
Don't worry, we won't.
That's quite the ego you have there. Now remember, we're in your hands.
드디어 결전의 날이 찾아오고 이제 막 런던으로 떠나려 하는데
Who the hell is that? It's Alan. He's an engineer. Look, he figured
이들의
something
계획을
out.
전부터 눈치채고 있던 앨런은 이 역사적인 일에 힘을 보태고 싶어하죠.
One mistake isn't a train home. You can't say fairer than that.
No, no. Hi. I'm sorry, we can't use you.
Yeah, of course, that's all right.
You'll have to forget you ever saw us.
Yeah, I understand.
Ian, he's got a car. We could really use another car.
결국 이언은 앨런을 받아들이고 함께 런던으로 향하는 길에 오릅니다.
We've been thrown together, the four of us. Strangers, really. But we were amazed at how it felt like we'd known each other for years. Alan's shyness had obviously made him a good listener. It was like he'd been with us from the start.
그리고 마침내 마주한 웨스트민스터 사원. 네 사람은 긴장된 마음으로 최종 점검에 나서죠.
Basically, you have two teams. I'm going with Gavin. Alan, you're going with Kay. I'm going to screw off the lock. We go in, grab the baby.
Right, put it in the back of your car. Back to the car park.
Switch
Where?
it to the Ford.
I get in Alan's car and put my foot down for Wales.
But the stone's on the Ford. Right. She's the decoy, in case anybody's seen your car at the Abbey. Right. So then we drive the stone back to Scotland. No, that's the beautiful part. We drive it south.
They'll expect us to go to Scotland.
Right, okay. So we stash it somewhere. Come back when the heat's off. Dead simple.
Right. Tomorrow's Christmas Eve. They'll be in their cups.
Why put off till tomorrow what we can do tonight?
He's right. It's not a bad idea. Why not do it tonight?
Well, we've not slept. I mean, can we even think straight?
Thinking's overrated. Oh, come on. Are we men of talk or men of action?
그렇게 계획보다 하루를 앞당겨 작전에 돌입하게 됩니다. 사원이 문을 닫기 직전 내부 깊숙이 몸을 숨기는 이언. 약속된 시간에 맞춰 행동에 나서려 하는데 너무나 허무하게 자신의 존재를 들켜버리고 말죠.
Why didn't you shout out?
불행 중 다행히 경비원은 그가 이곳에서 깜빡 잠이 든 것으로 오해하고
Wait a minute. Merry Christmas.
결국 내일의 재도전을 기약하며 네 사람은 길거리에서 추운 밤을 맞이합니다.
Ian, it's Kay. Hurry up. Hurry up, it's Kay. Kay.
케이는 고열에 시달리고 있었죠.
We've got to get to her hospital. We can't. They'll ask too many questions. A doctor then, something.
케이마저 쓰러지자 모든 계획은 물거품이 될 위기에 놓이고
Maybe we should just go home and make a new plan. Try again another day.
Is that what you want to do?
No. No, I really don't know. I can't think anymore.
결국 작전의 강행 여부는 투표로 결정하기로 합니다.
S means stay, G means we go home. But I will say this. If we go home, will we really ever come back?
Doesn't the lassie get to vote?
We don't think you heard.
Just still, not dead.
긴장된 마음으로 투표지를 열어보는데
Stay. Stay. Stay.
마치 약속이 나은 듯 모두가 같은 마음이었죠.
4 stays. Excuse me, I wonder if you might have any rooms available. We've just come in from Shrewsbury, and
That the missus?
Aye. No, sorry, no, she's my sister.
Is she drunk? I won't have drunk her to my house.
No, she's not. She's just she's not feeling very well. She just needs to sleep.
Oh, come here.
Thank you.
두 사람을 기다리며 속 깊은 이야기를 나누는 케빈과 앨런.
Are you sorry you came?
Of course I am. Nobody in their right mind would want to go through this.
Then why are you?
I'm mad, obviously.
Not really why.
Gavin Vernon, the mad bloke, opens beer bottles with his teeth.
And you want to prove to people that there's more than that.
Prove it to myself.
It's funny. I'm just the opposite. Being shy, you know? Even when I was a wee boy, when people would look at me, I'd just freeze up. But I always wanted to be someone, you know? Have adventures. Just never thought I'd have the nerve.
I never meant to put you all through this.
Don't flatter yourself. We're here because we want to be. Stop taking everything on yourself, Ian.
무심한 듯 따뜻한 케이의 말에 이언은 다시금 나아갈 용기를 얻습니다.
Why do you want to push a rock up a hill all by yourself? If you go for the stone without me, I'll break your arm.
한편 보다 확실한 계획을 세우기 위해 케빈은 특유의 능청스러움으로 관계자에게 접근하는데
Excuse me. Can I help you?
Good afternoon, sir. We were just passing by and remarking on what a masterful example of ecclesiastical architecture this is.
Sebastian Fenster, School of Architecture, Horsham College?
I've never heard of it. I'm particularly impressed with the preservation of the woodwork. To my eye, the carvers of the late Gothic period far surpass anyone from the Jacobean or Tudor periods.
Yes, I quite agree.
They've really stood the test of time. And such formidable doors. Oak, aren't they? But the old codger at the Abbey told me that the Poets' Corner door was replaced after the war.
개비는 보안이 가장 취약한 출입구를 찾아냈죠.
Who is he?
Hi, I've come to fetch my sister.
It's 2 o'clock in the morning.
Sorry, our father's ill. We have to leave immediately.
I'll send her out.
Well, actually, if I could just get...
그런데
Get me the police. Yeah, those Scottish boys are back. How should I know? They're up to something. Send someone right away.
Who's taking her?
그때 신고를 받은 경찰차가 일행을 향해 다가옵니다.
License, please.
What's wrong, sir?
Lady there says you told her you're from Shrewsbury. Mr. Hamilton. From Glasgow. Is this your car, sir?
Aye, it is.
Papers. Right, out.
No, hold on a second, sir. Honestly,
sir.
if you could just...
If you will, thank you very much, sir.
If you could just let me
Thank
explain
you,
for a
sir.
second.
위기의 순간
What seems to be the trouble?
Who are you?
I'm with them. Something wrong.
Right, this gentleman seems to think we stole the car.
That's silly. Where's Gavin? Hasn't he got the papers?
Aye. Our mate Gavin in the car there.
Mind stepping out the car, sir?
다행히 차량 등록증이 확인되며 가까스로 위기를 모면하죠.
That road there leads you straight out of London. Take it.
예상치 못한 검문으로 신분이 노출된 이들은 서둘러 작전을 감행하는데 우여곡절 끝에 사원 진입에 성공하지만 진짜 난관은 지금부터였죠.
Right, get behind it. Ready? Push. One, two, three. Come on, push it. Right, okay. Again. One more time. 2, 3. Put it down. 400 weight my arse. That's more like 6. Cool. Yeah, right, brilliant. Come on. Okay. Let's go. We've broken Scotland's leg. Shut up. No, we didn't. Look, these edges are worn. This has been cracked for years.
Aye, it has.
일단 운반이 가능한 작은 조각부터 차로 옮기는 이연.
It's broken. Get back into cover.
그 순간
What the hell's she doing? Get back.
A policeman has seen me. He's coming across the road. What were you going to say?
두 사람은 기지를 발휘해 다정한 연인인 척 행동하죠.
Sorry, officer. It's Christmas Eve.
Christmas Eve be damned. It's 4 o'clock in the morning.
Is it that time already?
It's the missus.
No, she's my girlfriend.
Ready? Push.
Well, there's a car park just along the road.
Oh, good.
Police.
Well, you two best be running along, eh?
경찰은 소리가 난 출입구로 발길을 돌리는데 분리된 돌을 지켜내기 위해 케이가 먼저 떠나며 두 사람은 작별 인사를 나누죠.
Kay, you realize when we get home we can't see each other?
I suppose.
Hope you're safe.
Well, like I said, I don't really like you anyway. It's been a marvelous party, darling. Thanks so awfully for inviting me.
Oh, they're in my coat.
한편 개빈과 앨런이 차를 가지러 간 사이 이언과 엇갈리게 되고
They're not in here. Give me that.
운명의 돌을 옮기던 중 주머니에서 빠져버리고만 것이었죠.
Can we break in? Hotwire it. Stand back.
그런데 그때
Stop! Christ. We better get out of here. Come on. Why would they have taken my coat? The keys.
세 사람은 또다시 엇갈리는데
Come in, Alan!
그제서야 이언은 열쇠를 떨어뜨렸다는 걸 깨닫죠.
I'd no clue what had happened to Gavin and Alan. My only thoughts were of the stone. Someone once said a nation's soul is in its people's keeping. And that morning, it felt like the soul of Scotland was in my hands alone.
혼자 힘으로 운명의 돌과 사투를 벌이는 이언. 그렇게 다시 스코틀랜드로 돌아가던 길
Gavin! Alan! Ian! I've got it! I've got it! Yeah! We did it! We did it! Okay, let's go. Oh, no, wait. Just one of you. It's too much weight. You go. I'll get the train back.
No, I'm the one who did.
Shut up! Look, I'm fed up babysitting you anyway. Now go on, before I whack you one. Go on! Go on!
I'll see you back home, okay?
Good morning. It's December the 25th, Christmas morning, and this is the BBC News.
A break-in has been reported during the night at Westminster Abbey. Although details have not yet been made available, unconfirmed reports indicate that the ancient Coronation Stone of Scotland, also known as the Stone of Destiny or Stone of Scone, has been reported missing. There is speculation that its theft was a gesture of Scottish defiance, a rallying point for the cause of Scottish rule. As we say, these are unconfirmed reports, and we will keep you up to date with the latest developments.
그것은 단순한 뉴스를 넘어 스코틀랜드인들의 심장을 다시 뛰게 만든 꿈같은 소식이었죠. 스코틀랜드 전역은 환희로 물듭니다. 이언과 앨런은 운명의 돌을 런던 근교의 한적한 들판에 숨겨두죠.
To the stone! And then they took it!
하지만 현장에서 이언의 손목시계가 발견되자 그는 붙잡히기 전 부모님께 모든 사실을 고백할 수밖에 없었습니다.
You did it.
Ian, have you any idea the trouble you've gotten yourself into? Speak up.
Aye, Dad. I do.
I'm so proud of you, son. I am so very proud of you.
하지만 더 큰 문제가 남아 있었는데
He was saying if the stone's been dry for 600 years and moisture gets in now and freezes, the whole thing could just disintegrate. There'll be nothing left.
We'll be shoveling it into paper bags.
Ian, we're going to need to go and get it before we're all arrested. Before there's no stone left to get.
이언과 친구들은 운명의 돌을 옮기기 위해 곧바로 움직이죠.
What the hell is that?
숨가쁘게 달려온 그곳엔 당황스럽게도 한 무리의 방랑자 가족이 자리를 잡고 있었습니다. 남자에게 조심스레 말을 거는 앨런.
Expect you have a bit of trouble now and then for the police.
Some.
That's because they don't like the way you live. You're free. I think freedom's the most valuable thing that people can have. Well, there are many who would take that freedom away from the people they don't understand. Like yourselves and, well, ourselves. Our people, the Scots, have died for freedom over and over for centuries. And we would again too gladly. But for us to continue our fight, we need a symbol to unite our people.
늘 소심한 모습만 보이던 앨런은 평소 모습이 믿기지 않을 만큼 유창한 말로 남자의 공감을 끌어내죠.
We need that symbol of freedom so that the flame that burns in here can never be extinguished.
This symbol of yours. Where is it?
It's under your arse.
그렇게 그들은 운명의 돌을 무사히 고국의 품으로 가져올 수 있었죠.
We returned the stone to the Church of Scotland at the ruined Abbey of Arbroath, where the Estates of Scotland met to sign their Declaration of Independence.
Stay calm. Let's do our jobs.
The stone was bundled back to London, and I never saw it again.
Are you the ones that took the stone? Which one of you is the leader?
Speak to this man here.
What's your name?
My name shouldn't matter.
We just want to know. Tell us who you are.
You can tell him. Tell him we're the children of Scotland.
자유를 향한 그들의 뜨거운 외침은 스코틀랜드 전역에 울려 퍼졌죠.
As long as 100 of us remain alive, we shall never give in to the domination of the English. We fight not for glory, not for wealth, nor honours, but only and alone for freedom, which no good man surrenders but with his life.